Dobra, zaczynamy. Dzięki. Good morning, traders. Welcome back to our live trading session. Standard, we need to check if everything is working. So let me know on the chat if you can hear me, if you can see me also. And then we're going to start our live trading session. And we're going to try to look for some good opportunities on the market, okay? So let me know. Lorenzo, hello. So can you hear me, guys? Let me know. Okay, everything should be okay. I think we should have sound, should have visual. Okay, in the meantime, just let me know if you can hear me, guys. So let's check our microeconomic calendar. On today's session, we're gonna check if we got any targets from all-in ASAP strategy. If yes, we're gonna look for the opportunity to open the trades, and we're gonna try to make some money. So we are looking at Forex Factory calendar, and we need to check if we got anything important today. So all the high impact news, like you can see right here, they are marked as red. Okay, so all red folders right here, saying that these are high impact news. So 8:30 in the morning, that was 30 minutes ago, we had some CPI in Swiss franc, and then nothing later on. 2:15 later on, we got non-farm employment change, okay, ADP. This is not that important as an NFP, but it's marked as red, so as high impact news. So we need to be careful if we're gonna make any plan on the currency pairs related to US dollar. We need to have a look at that. And later on, 4 p.m., we got ISM services PMI. This is quite important. So 4 p.m., we need to be aware that we might have some stronger moves on the market. So today it's not looking too bad if we are looking at the news. So hopefully we're going to be able to find some great opportunities in the morning because we got plenty of time till 2:15. So let's move to the charts. Where is Euro USD? It's over here. Templates default. Okay. 1 hour time frame. Let me just change properties, period separators, and we need all-in panel pro. Okay, all-in panel. Load all-in panel. Okay, so let's start from Euro USD. So let's check if we got any daily targets. I think one target from the from Monday. We had it somewhere here, so you can see the price got to that target today. So this one is done. We got 1 and 2 targets right at the bottom and 1 target above the price. But I think this one is quite far because it's 50 pips away and we done already 30 pips. So it might be hard to get there today. So probably we're gonna leave it maybe tomorrow after or later on after the price, if the price will break through. We're gonna look for opportunity, but we're gonna check that on another session. At this moment is too far. We can check the clusters also. Look, we got some clusters at this target. We are 34 pips away. So basically we can set order for reaction at the target, but we need to make sure to remove this order right before news. Okay, so if this order won't be activated before news, we will have to remove it. Okay. So let me just open the platform. We want to set order for reaction at the target, and the target is at level 16109. Okay, 16109. So let's get to advanced order, pending order. What was that? 16109. Okay, and stop loss for 10 pips and take profit for 10 pips. Okay. My risk will be 0.25% of account, so $2,500. Take profit also for 10 pips. Okay, so I'm gonna set buy limit order. You can see order is set. It's quite far away, and we need to make sure to remove this order before the news. Okay. Look, here we got double top, and the price may reverse now. Mm, let's check something. Okay. So the order for reaction is set. I'm gonna put that in the trading journal. Okay. Let me just make a screenshot. So I will have to remove it in about 4 hours time. Okay. Copy. All right. Where is trading journal? ASAP strategy, and today is the 3rd of December. Euro USD, 1 hour time frame. Order for reaction is set at the target for 10 pips with risk to reward 1 to 1. I need to remember to remove this order before news at $2. Okay, this is Central East time, all right? So we got our trading journal, which is good. We're gonna review that later on. The price is dropping down. Okay, so at this moment, there's nothing to do on Euro USD. Let's look for some better targets. We got Swiss franc. We got targets with the cluster. So basically, we could set order for reaction at this area. Let's check if we got any. I want to check something else. Two different trend lines. I want to see if that will work for me. Probably this one will be better on the top one. It doesn't help us for now. Let's leave it. Because we are in bearish market structure from 4-hour time frame, probably. Let's double check. Yeah, I think we are still bearish because the price didn't close under the last swing. We had some wicks, but the price basically stopped in this area. So we are still in bearish market structure. So we can consider this target, which is under the price at this moment. Let me check from 1-hour time frame. Is this target still valid? Price got to the target very close, like 1 pips away. Okay, doesn't matter. We can still use that target. So let's say we got target right here, which is around 37 pips away, and the market structure is bearish. So we are going down. So let's have a look at this area right here. This is some kind of support resistance zone. And you can see we had some reactions, okay? There was one reaction, another one, another one, another one. We went through, then we went back, another reaction, and now we are on this side of this area, okay? Which means this is support now for sellers. So you can see the price got today to this area and we see reaction. So I'm not sure, we might see another try of buyers to break through this area. Basically, we need a bearish candle to close under. So right here we have reaction. So if this candle is gonna close nice, we can set order probably with risk to rewards 1 to 2, because if this candle gonna close bearish, this is gonna be our stop loss and take profit right at the target. Okay, let me just change color. Okay, so this trade can look like that. To be honest, it would be better for me if the price would go a little bit higher and then see nice reaction. Okay, the second option would be much better for me than now, but why not? Why not? If this reaction is gonna be strong, I want to check 15 minutes time frame. Maybe we're gonna open the position. There is small gap right here. Okay, so there is a chance that the price will get here. We're gonna have reaction. We might get here and then we drop down. Okay, So we need to look at this situation right here. So for now, we're gonna stick to 1 hour time frame, and we're gonna wait for this candle to close bearish. Okay, if this candle will close bearish, maybe we're gonna enter the position a little bit lower. We still should be able to set risk to reward 1 to 2. Okay, so we are waiting for this candle to close bearish. If yes, we're gonna open the position. We got plenty of space. At this moment, we got 32 pips to the target. Bearish market structure. The price just bounced from exponential moving average and support resistance zone. And this is looking pretty good. I'm just worried about this gap right here because the price may react bullish at this gap. So let's wait for that. And we're going to see, okay? To switch account. This is 25. Okay, so we got a plan for USD CHF, and this may work. There is a cluster at the target right here and right at the bottom. Probably, if the price will go higher, I will set order for reaction at this target, okay? But first, we need to break through this support resistance zone. So I'm not setting this order now. In case we're gonna break through like in next 2 hours, I will set order for reaction for 10 pips, okay? At the target. So there is a chance for the trade right here for reaction, or if the price will close now bearish, this candle, I will open position, risk to reward 1 to 2. One second. This is second option. So this is number 1. And this is number 2. Okay, in this case, risk to reward will be 1 to 1. Sorry, 1 to 2. And here it will be 1 to 1. Okay, let me make a screenshot. There is also third option, like I said, if the price will go, let me just zoom it in. If the price will go higher, again, we will stop in this area and we're gonna see strong bearish reaction. There is also even better option, this one here, okay? So we might go a little bit higher than drop. We will see. Let's put that in the trading journal. So this is USD CHF, 1 hour time frame. If price will break through support and resistance zone, I will set order for reaction at the target with risk to reward 1 to 1, stop loss for 10 pips. If this current candle from 1 hour time frame will close bearish, I will open the position to get to the target with risk to reward 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay. And the third option, if the price will test again support and resistance zone, and there will be strong action, enter the trade with risk to reward 1 to 2. Okay, so I got three different plans on USD CHF basically. So we just need to wait for the perfect moment to enter the position, and we got Euro USD order is set for reaction. Good. All right, so let's move forward. Let's move forward. This is USD CAD. What about GBP USD? Do we have any targets? We do have a targets. Okay, and the clusters. I think we will have to do clusters. Oh no, it's working. But there's no cluster at the target. So I cannot use this target for reaction. We are too close to open position to get to the target. But we got another target which is a little bit higher. Okay. So let's find out which market structure is it from 4-hour time frame. The latest swings, let's say this was swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. There was break of market structure, and we are from this moment right here, we are bearish. Okay. So if we are bearish, I don't want to open a position to go up. Okay. Because this can be very risky. All right. This can be very risky. We got some targets at the bottom. Probably this one here would be better, but I don't like this consolidation right here. The price is moving up and down, up and down. We might drop, but maybe it's gonna be hard to get to this target. We are quite far as well, 54 pips. We done already 55 today. I'm gonna leave this target. It doesn't look too good for me. Not for now. Maybe later on I will look again, but not at this moment. Let's move to the next one. USD CAD. What's going on over here? There is target 63 pips away. What is the average trading range during the day? 50 pips, 24, 70, 33. Okay, we might have a chance to get to this target, but we got some swings on the way. This swing can block the price right here because this is some kind of can be support zone for buyers. And a little bit lower right here, we got cluster. And this cluster is at this low. So this is quite important. So if I want to think about opening the position, probably I need to see the price breaking through this two lows, and then a chance to open the position. Not earlier, because if I open position now, we might have situation that the price will get to this support and we're gonna bounce. The same over here. There is a chance that we're gonna bounce. So we will have to wait. Later on, we got some news. So I don't think we're gonna get here. We're gonna break through this area till the news. So uh, I don't think so. This target, which is above, can be used for a reaction. Okay, so we can set order for reaction, but I'm not gonna do that because I got already one order set for reaction. But there is a chance to set order for reaction over here because we got two clusters, we got targets, so easily we can set order for 10 pips. Like I said, I'm not gonna do it because one order for reaction is set. I want to look for the better trade because for reaction I can get only $2,500, and for normal trade I will get $10,000. So for me it's better to look for better trade, better risk to reward. So let's move to the next one. No, there's no panel for MT5 at this moment, only MT4. Unfortunately, no. Okay, 44 pips. The other one is quite far. This is 90 pips. We are in bearish market structure, so we cannot use these targets which are above the price, but we can think about this target which is lower. Okay. There was retest of the support resistance zone, which is good. We got another zone right here, and the price stopped over there, which is also good. Okay, you can see the price was reacting. When the price got to this area, strong reaction of buyers right here. Now we went on the other side and the price is breaking through. Maybe we're gonna have retest if the candle's gonna close like this. Let me just explain you what I mean. For our time frame, let me just check if we can move a little bit this trend line. I think this will work much, much better now. We are in some kind of rotation channel, which works for me, okay? This is pretty good, but if we are looking at higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, we got some strong bullish move, then we got some kind of flag, and if we're gonna break through, probably the price will go up higher. Okay, so this moment is very important. This moment where we at, okay, so let's just jump into 1-hour time frame, because this area, we are still in this area. This can be support for buyers. So if the price will go up higher, maybe I will look for some bullish trades because something will change on the market. But because we are still in this area, I cannot do anything. What we can do is to wait for the price drop down. If I'm gonna see candle like this, bearish candle, the price needs to close under exponential moving average, and we need to be on this side of support resistance zone, on this side, okay? We are after reactions at rotation channel. So if we're gonna see candle like this, I will set order for to get to the target, stop loss above this the trend line and support zone. So this stop loss should save us, and risk to reward at least 1 to 2. My target will be right here just before low from Monday, okay? So this trade can be very nice, but we need now reaction of sellers, okay? Let me just make a screenshot. Let's jump into trading journal, and this is USD JPY. USD JPY 1 hour time frame. Market structure is bearish. Just have a look at this trade. We are in bearish rotation from 4 hour time frame. Stopped at support, and if candle from 1 hour time frame will close, I mean strong candle, the best if it's signal candle, enter the position with the stop loss above the support and resistance zone, and take profit 2 pips before target. My risk to reward will be 1 to 2. Okay, so we got another plan. Look, we need only one plan to come true to make some money. Okay, we got few different plans, few different options. Probably some of them we won't be able to use, but we need only one plan. And if you're gonna see that situation on the market, we got more chances to succeed. Hi, Romek. Hey, hello. Okay, so we got USD JPY. We plan is ready. We just need to wait. Okay. We just need to wait. All right, so let's move to Australian dollar. Probably nothing over here. Targets are quite far away, so no chance to open position. New Zealand dollar, probably it's the same because they are moving pretty much same. So what we got left, we got crude oil. Let's check crude oil. Oh, I need to remove this order. Crude oil, and we got target which is above the price. See, I think yesterday I told you that this area is quite tricky, and you can see there was reaction. Single Monday we are talking about that. Okay, let's leave it. So, is this target available for us? We are nearly 90 pips away. This one is very far, nearly 200 pips. So, what is the market structure? The current market structure, it looks like bullish. Swing low, swing high. We got swing low, swing high. This must be our swing low. So we are still bullish. We are still bullish because we didn't break through the last swing low. Okay, we got double bottom over here. So we are in bullish market structure, so we can look at this target. The price is moving towards that target, which is good. Let's add some other things like trend line. Why I added this trend line? Because there is possibility that, you know, some of the traders will open position now to go up because they see three bullish candles, and we might have situation like this. This is the trend line, so we're gonna have to wait for the breakout through this trend line. Okay, that's for now easy. Let's check clusters. Okay, we got nothing on the way to our target, which is good. It's empty. Okay, we got plenty of space, nothing on the way, which is good. Let's check previous day high, low, previous week, previous month. Okay, right here you can see previous day high, previous week high. We need to mark that area because also this is some kind of support zone, support to resistance zone for buyers. Come on. So this is the area where price can stop. Okay, you can see some reactions at this area. Okay, so there is a chance if we're gonna get here, we're gonna have reaction. I'm not saying reversal, but maybe this reaction is gonna be small and then the price will get to the target. We don't know that, okay? But we know there is previous day high and previous week high on the way, but still we got plenty of space, okay? So let me just zoom it out. So what's the plan? I can see double bottom over here. In bullish trend or bearish trend, if we got in bullish trend, if we got double bottom, that means usually continuation of bullish trend, okay? So because the price was moving up, I know this is 1 hour time frame, but we had double bottom and we might have continuation. The only thing is I need to wait for the price to break through this trend line, okay? And I'm not saying that like this and I'm gonna open the trade and the price will drop. No, that's not the case. We need to wait for the price to break through, and the best if we can retest this trend line. Trust me, it's working, okay? And what else will help us to make decision? The exponential moving average will follow the price. So we should meet somewhere here with exponential moving average. So after this strong impulse, we need pullback, reaction at exponential moving average and the trend line. And if there's gonna be reaction, we are ready to go. We can open position. Look, this is our take profit. And my stop loss will be like this. So look, 1 to 1, 2 to 1. Basically, I can close my position. I can take profit in this area. I don't need to get to the target. So because this area is a bit tricky, this one here, the price may reverse. So it might be a good idea to take profit right in this place. If the price will get there, okay, fine. But if they gonna reverse, we can secure our profit. The other way to do that when we're gonna get to this area, to close half of the position, okay, close half of the position, set break even, so secure your trade and leave the rest and see what's gonna happen, okay? So I will look for this situation. It's looking pretty good. We just need to break through, and the price is getting very close. Remember that there is a chance that the price will stop here and they may drop. Maybe we won't get in this area at all, okay? Maybe we're gonna drop from here. So we need to watch what's gonna happen now. This is very important moment, okay? Because from here we're gonna drop or break through. If breakthrough, that's fine. We need to wait for the retest, bullish candle, and boom, Let's go. So let me put that into the trading journal. That is crude oil. Okay. Market structure is bullish. Need to wait for the price to close exponential moving average 20, sorry, above. On the other side of with take profit at previous week high. Okay, risk to reward 1 to 2. I think that's enough for me. I don't need to get to the target. Okay. Oh, oh. 20. All right. So we got Euro USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and crude oil. Let's check the last one. Last one is gold. Okay. Let's check if we got anything on gold. To be honest, it's better not to set orders for reaction at gold. Okay. It's very risky. There is a very big chance that you're gonna hit stop loss. So orders for reaction, not really. Mhm. Oh, oh. We do have nice targets. We do have nice target. This is very nice. Uh, very nice. 300 pips. Perfect. Perfect. Let's jump into 4-hour time frame. Let's check what is the market structure from 4-hour time frame. But I'm pretty sure we are bullish. Okay, I'm pretty sure we are bullish. Mm-hmm. Let's check it out. Bullish, and we didn't break through the swing low, so we are still in bullish market structure. So let's get to this target, guys. 1-hour time frame. It's looking pretty good. Pretty good. I want to add some other things like the trend line. Let me just connect those. Is this gonna work? Maybe. Let me check something else. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now. I want to check the other one as well. No, no. It doesn't work for me. It has to be like this. But it's good. We stopped on here. So we are in bullish market structure, which is good. And all we need to do now is to check if we got any clusters on the way. No clusters on the way, which is good. And previous day high, previous week, and previous month high and low. Okay, we got some some things on the way which can block us from getting to the target. One of these zones is previous week high. Look at those reactions, guys. Look at those reactions from both sides, okay? So there is a chance if we're gonna get here, we might bounce again, okay? But we should be able to secure the trade before we're gonna get to that level, okay? Later on, we got previous day high, which is not that important. So I will remove it, okay? I will remove it. So in this scenario, all we need is to see the price closing above exponential moving average. That's it, guys. This setup is gonna be very simple. There is a reaction at 38.2, which is good. I would say very nice. So only thing we need is this candle right here to close above exponential moving average. Nothing else. If we're gonna see situation like that, I'm gonna open the trade, stop loss lower, take profit, risk to reward 1 to 2. But if we're gonna get to this area, it might be good idea to take half of the profit or just set break even. So move your stop loss to level where you enter the position, okay? And secure your trade. It's around 300 pips to get. For gold is nothing. So it's all working here, guys. Market structure is bullish. On the way, we got previous week high, strong support resistance, but we are able to secure the trade before we're gonna get there. There is reaction breakout through trend line, and the price stopped at this trend line. So we need just bullish reaction of buyers. So everything is working. Price need to close above exponential moving average. I think this trade is pretty good, and probably we're gonna have a chance to open position very soon. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna enter that last plan into the trading journal. Like you can see, we got few different plans. We need just one plan to come through to get good profits. Okay, gold, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so market structure is bullish from 4 hour time frame. The price already break through trend line and retest it. I just need nice bullish candle to close above exponential moving average 21 to open the position. That's it. Uh, 21. Moving average 21. Okay, so we got 5 different plans, okay? So here we need to wait. Of course, the price may drop a little bit lower, but after price will close above exponential moving average, for us is the place where we're gonna enter the position, when I'm gonna enter the position, okay? Okay, so let's go through all the trading plans. We got Euro USD, order for reaction. Okay, order for reaction is set at Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. Order for reaction at this target, okay? So it's set. order for reaction, so we are still waiting, and I will remove that order in about 4 hours time, okay, because later we got some news. So if this order won't be activated till 2 p.m. Central East time, I will remove it from the charts. Okay, what's next? What's next plan? Next plan was USD CHF 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we need the candle to close under exponential moving average bearish candle. So let's have a look. Maybe we have a chance now. Okay, but look at those candles, okay? I know if this candle is gonna close, we might open the position, but I would like to see body of this candle bigger than the previous candle, okay? Than the previous body, okay? So if this candle is gonna close like this, lower than this body of the candle, I'm in position to go down, okay? Looks like we might have a chance to open that position. So we are very close to open the position. What else we got here? Trading journal, USD What's going on over here? USD all right, we need strong reaction of sellers right now. USD we still don't have that reaction, but don't worry, the price might go up here and then we're gonna have reaction, okay? So we still have a chance. All right, we still have a chance. That's good. What else we got over here? Trading journal, crude oil. Crude oil, we need to see the retest of trend line on the other side. Let's check that out. You see, the price stopped at the trend line. So they might drop down now. Maybe this target will have to wait. Okay, and then last one, we got gold, which is looking pretty good. We just need one bullish candle right here, okay? So we got few different plans, and all we need to do is just wait. This candle should close above exponential moving average, but we got only 8 minutes left. If not, we'll have to wait for another one, unless we're gonna do it from lower time frame, but I'm not sure over here if I want to do it from lower time frame. Probably not. I will leave 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we still got 7 minutes for reaction of buyers. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. This is looking good. If this candle is gonna close, we're gonna open position. Let me just open the platform. Looking good. Looking good. USD CHF, where is it? USD CHF, let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay. And where should be our stop loss? Above this area. And where is target? At level 79840? 79840, quite low. So if we got now 30 pips, we need stop loss for, I can do 15 pips. Try not to set small stop losses like that. I'm gonna do 15 pips stop loss. Risk mode, price points, percent, 0.5%. And I want 15 pips stop loss. Minus 15 pips, so, and the take profit, for 30%, which is good. Okay, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. We are ready to open the position short. With risk to reward 1 to 2, something like that. Okay. I'm just wondering about this gap because now we might have a bullish reaction. So it's better to wait those 5 minutes because there is a chance we're gonna have a reaction here. Okay. So I don't want to open too early. Position. Okay. Good, good, good. Looking good. Come on. 5 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Good, good, good. Okay, let's check. This is looking good. Gold, not yet. Hmm, interesting. Gold maybe a little bit later. A little bit later. Maybe next candle, okay? USD CHF. It's looking good. They're dropping lower and lower, but that's fine. We can set pending order, guys. Don't worry. If the price is running away, this candle, trust me, even if this candle is going to close, the price should come back just a little bit. So we can have a little bit better entry than open straight after here. Because next candle should leave weak somewhere here, okay? So they should come back just a little bit. So probably I will set pending order. So let me do that pending order. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Over here. So we're going to have better risk to reward ratio. Okay. All right. Our stop loss will be higher. Our enter to the position will be better. And to be honest, I can already set this position. So let me just set order sell limit because this candle is looking very good. I just need a little bit better entry to the position. So let them go back a little bit. We got still 2 minutes time. Okay. We will see. We will see. Maybe just a little bit lower. Okay, we got reaction. Mm, 1 hour time frame. USDCHF. 1 more minute. Come on. 1 more minute. This candle is looking good. It's looking good. Our stop loss is in a safe place because it's above this support resistance zone. Even if the price will reverse, we still have a chance that they will stop here and then drop down. Okay, so our stop loss is in good place. 30 seconds, guys. I'm not gonna change it. All right, we need to wait for the price to come back just a little bit to have a better entry. Okay, because every candle, if you look at the charts, All right. So if we got, let's say, bearish candle, all right, we got bearish candle, and we don't have wick over here, and you're gonna enter position right over there because you're rushing to enter the position. That usually happens because everyone is rushing. You see candle and you need to open the position, and you're gonna open position right here. But you need to remember that market is working like this. That usually we got, if you look at the candles, we got wicks on both sides. So if you're gonna open position here, okay, you're gonna enter the position, but there is like more than 80% chances that they will go back just a little bit. I'm not saying like this, but just a little bit, and then they will drop. So you can always have a better entry, maybe 2, maybe 3 pips better entry. That can help you sometimes with the stop loss. So if you're gonna set pending order in this place, you will have better entry by, I don't know, 3 pips, 2 pips. It's always better because your stop loss will be higher then, okay? So that's what I want to see over here. We got 1 hour time frame. I want to see that wick. So let the price go back a little bit. You can see the price is slowly going up, and hopefully it will activate my position. Okay, guys, so order is set. I'm just gonna enter the screenshot that I've opened the trade. Not open, is limit order is set. 2 limit orders. Okay, this is USD CHF. Okay, and this is Trading Journal, USD CHF. Risk to reward 1, 2, 2. Okay. Oh no. No. Okay, so we got few plans. We need to wait for the other ones. This one here should be activated in the second because you can see the price is slowly coming back. And we need to wait for that. And that's it, guys. That's it for this session. Uh, You're welcome, Romek. You're welcome. So thank you, guys. I will see you on next session in about 4 hours time. On that session, we're gonna look at the price action cycle strategy, okay? Because it's working the best during US session. So guys, good luck today, and I will see you later on. Take care.